Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Students, this is the second week of ours, and this is our remedial English week. Means, in this week, I shall be teaching and explaining you different usages. And our first use is pronoun as subject, object, possessive, and reflexive. Students, the word pronoun is composed of pro and noun. Noun means name and pro means after. It means pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. It may be subject of a sentence and object of a verb. Students, how can a pronoun be used as a subject? Let me tell you that when a pronoun is the doer of action in a sentence, it is called subject pronoun. And the subject pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. For example, the sentence is you hit the ball. Here, action is being done by the subject you, and you is the doer of action. So, it is a subject pronoun. Now, how can a pronoun be used as an object? So, when a pronoun receives the action of a verb, it is termed as object pronoun. And object pronouns are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. For example, the sentence is teacher praised her. In this sentence, the object pronoun is her because it is receiving the action. Teacher is noun, praised is the action or verb, and her is object pronoun. Now here I am replacing the noun with pronoun as teacher can be a boy or girl. So we can say he praised her or she praised her. Here he is subject pronoun and her is object pronoun. Okay, students? The next pronoun we are going to learn is possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession or ownership is called a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. For example, the sentence is the book is mine. This jewelry is hers. In these sentences, mine and hers are possessive pronouns. Mine is showing the ownership at book and hers is expressing the possession at jewelry. The next pronoun of ours is reflexive pronoun. It is used when the object in a sentence refers to the same person or thing as the subject of a sentence. The reflexive pronouns are myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves. Now here, yourself is given for singular second person and yourselves is given for plural second person. For example, the sentence is I will do my work myself. The second sentence is she hurt herself while playing. In these sentences, the object is referring to the same person as subject. It means there is no any other person in sentence except subject I and she. And here myself and herself are reflexive pronouns. Here are some of the examples of subject, object, possessive and reflexive pronouns. Okay? Sentence is they were cleaning their rooms. Dash. Blank is given and your option is reflexive pronoun. Means you will have to put a reflexive pronoun in this sentence. Now how will you come to know that which one reflexive pronoun will be used? So I told you that object in a sentence refers to the same person as the subject. It means we will see the subject of ours. In this sentence, our subject is they, so the reflexive pronoun of they will be themselves. It means here in this blank we will put themselves. Okay, students? The next sentence is the cat has drunk dash milk. Now your option is you will have to put possessive pronoun. Now how will you come to know that which one possessive pronoun will be placed here? So look at the subject. The subject is cat, and cat is an animal, and for animals we use the possessive pronoun its. Okay, students? The next sentence is my elder brother gifted dash a new bicycle on my last birthday. And your option is object pronoun. Means you will have to put object pronoun in this blank. Now which one object pronoun will be placed here? Look at the subject. The subject is my elder brother. Whose elder brother is there? My. So the objective pronoun of my, you can say I. The objective pronoun will be me. Okay, students? I really hope that you have understood pronoun as subject, object, possessive and reflexive. Okay, students? So here is your assignment. What you will have to do, as I have explained you some of the examples, same as I have given you the assignment, I have given blanks in the sentences and I have given options too. Now you will have to see that which one reflexive, possessive, object or subject pronoun will be used in the blanks. Okay, students? Thank you.